त्रैलोक्य गीता चैप्टर 14 वर्ण व्यवस्था गायत्री समन्वय योगः association of the correlation of caste system and Gayatri.
रोमहर्षण विप्रत्वं चण्डालन्यून रावणः गुणकर्मभिराव्यक्तैः कुलं सर्वस्य नोद्भवात्. Romaharshana, belonging to lower caste by birth, was honored by sages as Brahma while conducting a sacrifice in Naimisha forest. Even though Ravana was born Brahmana, he was considered to be worse than an untouchable. Hence, the expressed qualities through deeds alone decide the caste of the person, irrespective of his or her birth.